Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get pet hairballs to purchase items such as your pet's accessories and their outfits and stuff. So basically to get it, every single day you are able to get it from a cat or a dog. You won't get it from two of your cats though, you can only get it from either one, I think. So I'm just going to approach Rocket here. Oh, my backpack is full. Give me a second. Hold on. What should I move? Okay, let's move this and store it. There we go. And I'm just going to interact with Rocket here. And as you can see, okay, maybe not from Rocket. Where is Tater? Okay, maybe from Tater I'll get some of the pet hairball currency. Okay, so sometimes you get it, I guess. Sometimes you don't. I'm not sure. Maybe today, because I just logged on and I didn't get give them food yet or something. But you'll get it sometimes from approaching them, like by interacting with the presents, I guess. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I don't know why today they decided not to give me the pet hairball, even though they do. Sometimes you also are able to get it from pet quests and stuff. But yeah, right now my pets aren't giving me the currency that I want. It's basically to just purchase items. So from the pet store, their cute outfits here. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can get it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!